This is a simulation activity to help you understand dyscalculia a little bit better. The purpose of this activity is to simulate a struggle someone with dyscalculia may face. This particular activity involves seeing how they may struggle with numeracy, calculations, and/or memory. Before we begin, get a piece of paper and a pencil. We're going to have a timer that is set for 1 minute when the actual activity begins. If you don't have one, that's fine. We're going to time it. We will say go, and then the timer begins, and you'll solve the problems the best that you can. When you solve these math problems, you're going to have to do that according to the instructions you read. The instructions are going to change things just a little bit. I'm going to give you 20 seconds to read these instructions. You're going to read them and see how they're a little bit different. Don't write anything down. You need to try to remember what the symbols mean. All right, go ahead and start reading. All right, are we about ready? Remember those instructions of what the differences in those symbols are going to mean when you solve each of the problem. I'm going to start the 60-second timer as soon as I show the screen with the problems, and you can begin. Ready? Go. And stop. So did you have to think about each equation as you solved it? Was it easier or harder than you thought it would be? Did you make any errors? And were you able to solve them all? These are all things to think about. The whole point of it was to understand when someone was dyscalculia, easy problems may not seem that easy. And it's not because they can't do them. It's just that the symbols mean different things and it takes longer to process. Thank you for taking the time to check this out, and I hope it helps you understand dyscalculia a little bit better.